Hi, I'm Dan from White's Material Handling and welcome to another White's Difference feature. This time we are looking at our brand new range of heavy duty shear grabs. So as part of our Ag X range of attachments, these shear grabs fit in as a heavy duty option for cutting grass and maize silage. They feature a lot of high tensile steels, namely Hardox, and we're gonna have a look around and show you why we think this could improve your silage setup for this season. So let's have a look at the sizes, capacities, and what ram options there are. First of all, we have the 1600 meter wide, which is a 5'3". He'll come with 2 rams and it'll come in at a 0.85 cubic meter capacity. Next up, we have the 1900 meter model, or a 6'3" unit. That one will come with 3 rams, a center cutting knife, and it will come with a 1 cubic meter capacity. How does that relate to machines? So your 1600 will be good for tractor loaders and smaller telehandlers up to a 3-ton lift. And then your 1900 is 3 to 4 ton lift capacity telehandlers. Feature-wise, why do we think that this shear grab is going to set the standard for heavy duty in the agricultural market? Well, specification, it is totally unrivaled. Around the front of the blade, at the business part of the shear grab, we use entirely Hardox products. So you've got your side blades, Hardox, cutting teeth, Hardox, and then the tines themselves are Hardox. For you, the user, that is going to improve your longevity and the lifespan of the shear grab. But also Hardox allows you to get a really nice cut, very nice clean face on your clamp, and also it decreases the amount of maintenance you have to do. Hardox blades and tines tend to stay sharper for longer than a mild steel equivalent. The profile of the shear grab has also been designed to give a nice clean cut and put as little strain as possible on those rams and pins. With regards to the rams and pins, today we're looking at a 3-ram model, but we also offer a 2-ram model. The 3-ram one comes with a center cutting knife, so it's going to cut that block nicely in half for you, but also it's got a lot of protection around the center section. So within that center section, you can see there's 2 profiles, so the knife cuts in between those. Is trying to reduce the amount of silage that builds up in that center section. At the front end of the blade, you can see where the ram joins the front blade, there is several gusset areas, essentially creating triangles, giving maximum strength across that front top blade. The blade itself is double skinned, and it's a true double skin, so that is 2 plates welded together. We also have a triangular section that makes the top bar as strong as possible. You can see at the front of the shear grab where the rams meet the top of the front blade, we put central gusset areas on each one. That is going to try and prevent the twisting that is typical with uneven loading of shear grabs. The pins throughout are entirely bush, so they've got your bushes in each one, also with a hardened boss. Again, we're looking at the longevity and trying to improve the lifespan of this product. The pivot pin section is somewhere that we know is vitally important to support on a shear grab. So from the outside working in, we have tried to build it up as much as possible. You can see we've got the outer plate, that goes into the hardened boss, and then you've got your 50mm pin, which sits inside a DX bush. Within this area, we've also put on a transport bolt. So you can lock a bolt in, which holds the shear grab off the ground. So if you want to store the shear grab over the summer when you're not using it, rather than resting those blades on the ground, you can lift it up slightly and it keeps them all nice and protected. We know that shear grabs are going to take a lot of work, so we've tried to protect as much of the workings and the hydraulics and stuff as possible. So we've put this lovely section across the back that is going to protect these hydraulic hoses. The central section is nice and out of the way. And then also for Merlot machines or machines that require a check valve, we've got a little block area at the back where the valve can go onto, again, keeping everything out of the way and nicely protected. We only offer Hardox tines on these models. In our opinion, Hardox is the way forward, it is the way to go. We have designed them so they'll go into the clamp face well enough, but also to allow the material to slide off when you're loading your feeder. Another reason why we've put on Hardox tyres is that they require very little maintenance. You don't have to keep them tight, they're welded in, so you haven't got to worry about them dropping off into the feeder and the costly repairs that come with that. Also, they are a lot stronger than a standard bolt-in tyre. They're massively resistant to wear, but also to bending and breaking, typical issues that you get with a shear grab, especially on winter mornings when you don't want them to happen. So there you have it, it's our brand new range of shear grabs. We've seen a place in the market that can really value from heavy duty shear grabs like this, and we have built it up to a specification rather than down to a price. Again, we're very, very proud of these products, and it's something that this winter we want to discuss how we can improve your silage setup. So give the office a call on 0117 972 0006, drop us an email, sales@whitemh.co.uk. Alternatively, go on the website www.whitemh.co.uk. We're happy to discuss the options to see how we can help you and your business. Thank you again for watching another White's Difference feature. If there is a product that you would like us to review in more detail, drop a comment in the box below and the team will be on it, and the next one could be your video.